You drink it without thinking. You brush your teeth with it. You boil your pasta in it. You bathe in it. You sweat it. You're made of it. And yet most people don't really know what water is, where it comes from, what's hiding inside it, or how it silently shapes your brain, your body, even your thoughts. On paper, water is simple. 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. H2O clear. Tasteless. Odorless. But in reality, water is never pure. Not in lakes, not in rivers, not in bottles. Not even in rain. Water is a universal solvent, the most powerful one we know. Which means, it picks up everything. Everything it touches. Everything it flows through. Everything it falls onto. By the time that glass of water reaches your lips, it has a story. It's passed through clouds, air, soil, rocks, steel, pipes, tanks, filters, maybe even plastic. And it carries traces of all of it. The water coming out of your tap today may have once been part of an ancient glacier. It may have flowed through a mountain spring, or sat underground for hundreds of years. Or it may have been recycled from wastewater just months ago. There are 3 main sources of drinking water in the world: surface water, groundwater, and desalinated water. Each comes with its own benefits and risks. Groundwater is often rich in minerals, but also in heavy metals. Surface water is more accessible, but more exposed to pollution. Desalination is high-tech, but expensive and energy-intensive. Cities blend multiple sources, then disinfect, filter, and process the result before it hits your faucet. But even treated water isn't always safe. Just ask Flint, Michigan. Bottled water feels like the cleanest choice. It's clear. It's cold. It's sealed. It looks healthy. It tastes safe. But appearances can be deceiving. More than 60% of bottled water in the U.S. is just filtered municipal tap water, collected, treated, and repackaged by private companies. And sometimes bottled water isn't tested as rigorously as public water. Tap water often goes through more frequent, stricter safety tests than what you buy in a bottle. Plastic bottles can leach chemicals, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. And studies have found microplastics in over 90% of bottled water brands. You pay more for convenience, but you might be getting less than you think. Even the cleanest looking water can hide things. Chlorine and chloramine, added to kill bacteria. Lead and copper from old pipes. Fluoride added for dental health but controversial. Arsenic, nitrates, manganese, from natural sources or agriculture. Pesticides and pharmaceuticals. Yes, trace amounts of meds have been found. Microplastics, from the bottle, the tap, the world. And if your water smells like a swimming pool, it might have too much chlorine. If it tastes metallic, it could contain iron or copper. If it looks cloudy, it may just have air bubbles or worse. The truth is, you can't judge water by how it looks or tastes. Only testing can tell you what's really in it. There's no one-size-fits-all method. Different systems remove different things. Some methods are great at killing bacteria, but leave the chemicals. Others remove minerals along with pollutants, leaving water flat or dead. Carbon filters are great for chlorine and bad smells. Reverse osmosis removes most contaminants, including minerals. UV sterilization kills bacteria and viruses. Distillation evaporates water, leaving solids behind. Ion exchange is used to soften hard water. Some people even combine systems, like a carbon filter plus UV and RO, just to feel safe. But when we over-purify, we also remove healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium. Water becomes empty. It hydrates but doesn't nourish. That's why some bottled waters reintroduce minerals. Not just for taste but for balance. So what's the best water? It depends. Where do you live? What's in your local water? What's your budget? What are your needs? If your city water is well tested and safe, it might be your best option. If you're concerned about pipes or taste, use a filter. If you want full control, consider reverse osmosis, but add minerals back. Don't just go for what looks fancy or comes in glass. Go for what's actually tested, mineral-rich, and good for you. How much water should you drink every day? Ask 10 people, and you'll get 10 different answers. Some say, 8 glasses a day. Others say, your weight divided by 2 in ounces. Fitness influencers say, drink more to burn fat. Doctors say, listen to your body. So, what's the truth? The idea that you need 8-ounce glasses of water a day? That came from a 1945 government recommendation. But the original statement included food. 2.5 liters of water per day, including moisture from food. Most people never read the second part. About 20 to 30% of your daily water comes from food. Fruits, vegetables, soups all count. If you eat a salad and drink tea, you're already hydrating. The real answer depends on your body weight, your climate, your activity level, your diet, your kidney function, and your overall health. Your body is over 60% water. Even a small drop in hydration, just 2%, can affect you. Headaches, fatigue, brain fog, bad mood, constipation, dry skin and lips, darker urine, cravings, slower metabolism, and chronic dehydration. It's linked to kidney stones, infections, and even memory problems. Your brain actually shrinks slightly when you're dehydrated. That's how sensitive it is to water. But can you drink too much? Yes. It's called hyponatremia, water intoxication. It happens when you drink so much water that it dilutes the sodium in your blood. Cells begin to swell. In severe cases, confusion, coma, even death. It's rare but real. Most at risk: endurance athletes, children, people on extreme water detoxes. So don't force it. Listen to thirst. Balance is everything. And what about water and weight loss? Can it really help? The answer is yes, but not magically. Drinking water before meals can reduce hunger. Cold water slightly boosts metabolism. Staying hydrated keeps your body running efficiently. And sometimes we confuse thirst for hunger. Best times to drink: first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before meals, during exercise, when you feel tired, before bed, just a sip. Sip steadily throughout the day. Hydration is a rhythm, not a race. Your brain is 75% water. Even mild dehydration reduces focus, memory, and reaction time. Your skin: water plumps it, improves elasticity, reduces dryness and dullness. Your digestion: water helps you absorb nutrients, break down food, and eliminate waste. Your energy levels, your mood, your immune system, all depend on staying hydrated. But hydration isn't just about water. Electrolytes matter too: sodium, potassium, magnesium. And not all fluids hydrate equally. Coffee, alcohol, sugary drinks, they can dehydrate you. Soup, tea, fruit, they help. So what kind of water is best? Let's break it down. Tap water: convenient, regulated, sometimes tastes off. Bottled water: convenient, often overhyped, less regulated than you think. Filtered water: improves taste, removes chlorine and contaminants. Spring water: natural minerals but not always pure. Distilled water: clean but empty, lacks minerals. Alkaline water: marketed as healthful, but most benefits are hype. Electrolyte water: good for athletes or dehydration. Each has pros and cons. The best water: clean, mineral-rich, affordable, and safe. Now, some myths you still believe. Myth: you must drink 3 liters a day. False. It depends on your body and lifestyle. Myth: clear urine means you're healthy. Not always. It could mean you're overhydrated. Myth: bottled is safer than tap. Not true. In many cities, tap water is more strictly tested. Myth: alkaline water balances your pH. Your body already does that. Myth: water flushes out toxins. Your kidneys do that. Water just helps them work. And now, real tips that work. Want to drink more water? Add lemon, mint, or cucumber. Use a reusable bottle you like. Set reminders. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Use a water tracker app. Pair water with habits, like always drinking when you brush your teeth or sit at your desk. Don't wait for thirst. Sip often. And always check your local water report. Use filters if needed. Boil in emergencies. Know your source. Respect the liquid that fuels your brain, your body, your life. Water isn't just water. It's survival. It's science. It's story. And you're made of it. So treat it well. And it will do the same for you. Thank you for watching. Water is more than a drink. It's life, it's science, it's memory. If this video made you think differently about what you drink every day, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories about the everyday things that shape our health. We're just getting started. See you in the next episode. Stay curious. Stay hydrated.